Hello friends, good morning everyone. I am Bharat Singh in front of you all. I am studying in 9th class from Jawahar Vidyalaya Inter College, and my hobbies are to playing cricket and like reading books, reading stories books, and I want to become a doctor in my life. My aim is to become a doctor in my life, and my strength is I am a self-confident boy. It's all.
That's good. You are going to speak on casteism now.
Yes, sir. Okay. So I would like to ask that how casteism topic was made debatable, because first of all, if we say that first of all a family was called like Yadav and anything. Okay, so if it was called then nothing, like my name is Bharat, I am called Bharat. Okay, so like before a long time they were divided in groups, but what happened after that, equality removed. They didn't live in equality, they used to they can't live same behavior together. Okay, so equality was not there, so that's why this topic was made debatable. Or
I want you to go in the history. Why the hell was the casteism? Why the hell the casteism took place? Okay, and I mean, is it good, bad? What all do you think about it?
Okay, so according to me, it was good. I can say that, like before a long time, the people were divided that you are sweeper and you are warrior and you are
washerman, shepherd,
or you are
cobbler,
businessman.
or businessman,
Yes.
or pandit, right?
So these were divided in groups. It was really good that before a long time, I can say there would be a single family only. So for a single family, this work is there. For that family, this is there. So it was really good. I agree with you. But after that, equality removed. Why the hell
Equality was removed then.
after that equality was removed? Why the hell it happened? Okay, I am saying that these are only works, na, sweeping and cleaning, shopkeeping, like many works there. So I am saying that casteism was made debatable, and casteism, the origin of casteism is only not removing of equality.
Okay, that's what you believe.
Yes.
Okay, question please.
Okay, please.
Slightly louder.
Okay, can you please specify the period in which this system was created, and who has created this system?
Maybe I don't know more things, but I maybe those were Arya were there.
Okay, can you please elaborate who are Aryans, as I don't know about them?
First of all, in India, maybe I don't know and something about more thing about them, but I can say to India or to any place. Okay, I don't know place. They came and they started having cows, and they used to use animals like cow, horse. Okay, so the cow and horse were made pet animals. Okay, so after that, what happened? They divided in groups. So not, or I can say Arya, a language was Sanskrit was there. They used to talk in Sanskrit. So in Sanskrit, by our pandits, it was written that you should sweep and you should keep shop.
Well, as you mentioned, you do not have proper knowledge who are Aryans.
Yeah.
And you also mentioned that Aryans have divided the Indian society into 4 groups. Okay,
Yeah.
caste. Okay, but as far as I know, chapter 4, verse 13 of Bhagavad Gita, God Himself, claims in that book that He has divided. So I think God has divided, not Aryans, and as far as we are talking about inequality, it began around, you can call it 1000 years around, when the invasions started on India. And yes, inequality was there, and I do not support that kind of inequality, and that's why Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has added 10 years of reservations in our constitution to elevate them socially in the to fit them with the full dignity in the Hindu society. Okay, but what our politician has done is that they are continuously
Increasing.
increasing the reservation for just their own politics. This is the one aspect of it. And the second one is that without referring to the government, on society's level, we should try to eradicate this system, because we also need to the time in which time we are living. You know, that was the time of herders and, you know, barbarians coming in every 10 or 20 years just looting. So this, you know, social security was not there, so they were in collective groups. Now what we have in this modern era and technological era, it is of no relevance. And that's what I just want to say. If there is no relevance of any particular thing, then there is no point in continuing it.
Now you please continue.
Okay, sir. I am not saying that. I am saying that only inequality should be removed. If they are divided in, if we say that.
Okay, the main point is inequality should be removed.
Yes.
People should not misbehave. People should not discriminate,
Yes.
right? But you mean to say that with the names or the surnames, they
Yes.
can continue.
Yeah, they
right?
can continue.
So you agree to that?
Yes,
Or you are on this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then why and how? Tell.
Because I want to say this, because before a long time our ancestors were there. They were called Thakur, Valmiki, Yadav, any other thing. Okay, so washerman, anything. So they made some rules. They really made some rules for us. Okay, but they didn't say that you should live in inequality. So can you tell me that did the ancestors of a sweeper said that you should live in inequality? No, but only they made rules that your work is it and you should do it. Or why were they agree with this point? Why were they agree with this?
Why did they agree?
Why did they agree why did they agree for this work sweeping? Because they didn't know that there will be an inequality for us. Okay, they were agreed due to only this thing. But this time what is there? Inequality is there, or they didn't know that after thousands of years there will be inequality. So I am saying only this, that inequality should be removed, and the groups should be continued. If a sweeper is there, then sweeping should be there. If a shopkeeper is be there, then shopkeepers caste is also should be there. But inequality should be removed. But when a general caste people and the lower caste people, when they debate each other, okay, so why they debate? Because they don't know, because they think it is bad for us, there is a bad behavior for us. Or if no bad behavior would be there, then no debate, nothing. It would be only a simple name, like my name is Bharat, your name is Kausal. So like this simple name would be there.
Okay, that's what you think.
Yes,
Okay, as you were continuously mentioning about the rules,
Can
can
be
you,
louder, it will be better.
okay, you were continuously talking about the rules which have been formed by our ancestors. Okay, can you mention 2 or 3 rules?
Rules, by rules I mean that like our particular work, our individual work. Okay, so I want to tell you that they said to us that you should do this work, you should follow these things. So according to me, rules, by rules I mean this.
Okay, who are they in this? You said they, but
They are ancestors.
Okay, ancestors. Can you please tell me, even if I will say my great grandfather was also my ancestor, can you please specify a geography, a time period on which we can talk?
Like I can say 1000
And
years.
can you also specify, if the ancestors did so can they be all right or absolutely right in doing so?
So they at that time.
Can't they have the orthodox mentality at that time? Please talk about this.
Sir, this time what is going on, whatever going on, it is not good. But at that time when they were divided in groups, so they didn't know that inequality will be raised up.
Then
That's what I am saying. It has lost its relevance with time, and now time has come to end the system, which is obsolete. There is no requirement. If there is not a requirement of machine, then what do we do with it? We just throw it out of the house.
Yeah.
And what we do, we bring new technology into our home. That's what I am saying.
Yes.
Okay, and you are saying we should remove the discrimination and disparities
equality.
amongst the people, but we should continue the system. I am just saying, what is the need to continue the system?
The need to continue-
And one more thing is that you said, our ancestors asked us to do the work which they have asked. But what about the personal will and choice?
If this time what happened that okay, as you said that if inequality is removed, let it be removed, but you are saying that why we should continue the groups in which we are divided. Okay, because it I can see na it will have one type of peace in our India, in our India only. Okay, why will it have a peace? Because a particular person will do a particular work, will not go for any other work, but this time every person is doing every work. But I am saying only that okay, as you said,
So this
as
is
I
the question here. Like if every person is doing every work, then you mean to say that if they are divided into the groups in the caste, then it means that it will be imposed on them that you are this, so you will do only this.
No sir, this type of pressure is not there on them that you should do only this. But I am saying that the name and the surnames should be continued. I am not saying that this type of pressure should be there on them. You should only keep soap, you should only sweep. Any person can do anything, but nothing should the general caste people should have nothing better than lower caste
But
people.
the people who discriminate, how do they identify the other people? Those people identify the other people by their surnames. If the surname is not there, it will be eradicated. Then why should somebody tell the surname to anybody? This is my question.
Sir, this time why do people this time why do people hesitate to tell their surnames? Because they think so that if my caste would come in front of them, then it would not be, they would stop respecting me. Okay, they will not respect me. But as I am saying now, when inequality would be removed, then no need of telling surnames, or there would be no need of telling
So
surnames.
on the one hand, you are talking of removing inequality. On the other hand, you are supporting the surnames. So isn't it contradictory in itself?
No sir, and if
Why?
surname
You also said that people are reluctant in telling their surnames. I have not seen one single case. Even the so-called social caste and social tribe, it's ST and SD, proudly displays their surname on the nameplate and proudly tells with other people also. Like, for example, you can take if
No, I have a contradiction on it. Some people hesitate. Literally, I have seen it. It's not some people, many people hesitate. And it depends on situation to situation or people to people. But yeah, some hesitate. Inside, somewhere at the end, at the corner of their heart, little hesitation is there. If they belong to low caste.
okay, and that's what I am saying. Just end this system, they will not belong to not even upper, middle, lower, east, west, or any other direction. Where hesitation will directly end from it, and you want to continue the system which has lost its relevance.
yeah, I am saying na hesitation would itself be removed. Okay, so why would it be removed? Because no inequality would be there. Okay, or after some time, as sir said that you want surname as well, but I want surname due to their one type of, what can we say, identification, due to their identification that who are they, and there is a group which was made by our ancestors, so that should be continued. Or we should not stop the rules made by our ancestors. That's why I am saying that surnames should be continued.
I have a question. Now I have a question. Let's say somebody belongs to the caste, let's say cobbler, right? Cobbler. But cobbler has become the CM now. For example, Mayawati. So as she has become the CM now, then why should she carry that surname which doesn't match her post? Justify this, please.
So, but
Justify.
so for that, her ancestors were cobbler, or
So if the ancestors were cobblers, does it mean that the complete generation should be the cobbler? and should be called cobbler. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. If no inequality is there.
So how can inequality not be there? If the surnames are there, even if the post has been changed, right? But people call her as a cobbler. So do you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
And people call her cobbler. How do they get to know? First of all, that she has been. First of all, she has never been a cobbler. The ancestors have been named. The ancestors had been the cobblers. So do you agree with this? Do you like it?
Yes, sir. I
Your
like it.
ancestors were the warriors. You are not. And you are feeling proud of being Thakur?
You know, I have some points regarding it. First thing is that your statements are full of sophism, and second one is that you are saying that whatever our ancestors has made for us, we should continue. And you know, there were also many what we call practices in our Hindu society that has been abandoned completely. Like Sati Pratha was there. Okay, we
So please repeat from beginning.
Okay, I was saying that you know, our society was full of very practices in the past.
Malpractices?
Yes, malpractices in the past. But you know, we are continuously leaving them. That's what I want to say. So some certain people has made certain thing. Yes, have made certain thing in the past. You are saying 1000 years ago. Okay, first of all, in itself, you know, it does not make any sense to follow 1000-year-old system, which is nothing. And third point of mine is that why do we use certain sort of thing or practice? Why? Because it has some relevance. Can you please give me one, two, or how many points you can give? What is the relevance of this system? Instead, you know, please do not, you know, at this point, it makes me so proud and haughty.
So I am only saying that as you said, we know, yeah, we should respect our ancestors. Only due to that I am saying na that they made rules. So for respecting them,
Okay.
we should have our surnames.
Yes. So the people who have died thousands of years ago, 800 or 700, whenever they have died, you want to respect them, and you want to, you know, just
You want to disrespect the people currently?
yes. And you know, if let me give you an example, a so-called priest, that Brahman caste is there, and who is making shoes and polishing the shoes, you will not ready to call him cobbler, and you are ready to call the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh as cobbler. In reality, it does not exist. So what should I call this?
But as you said that you are respecting the people who has died thousands of years ago, but who have died thousands of years ago. Okay, so as your grandfather and grandmother were died before 10 years, 6 years ago, so don't you respect them?
Okay,
As Hindu religion
He respects,
follows.
obviously.
Okay.
I respect my complete generation.
Yes, sir.
Complete.
But
Since
sir, he-
Adam and Eve.
So, but he is saying that for respecting.
But can I respect Sati Pratha? It means the self-immolation. Can I respect it?
No, sir.
Then how can I respect the malpractices done by them or anybody?
Okay, so your complete, you know, argument about continuing this irrelevance system of caste is that respect. It completely revolves around the core of
Sir, first
respect.
tell me what is malpractice?
That bad practice, I mean, that was, I mean, pathetic.
Okay.
Anything like
It's
Sati
like
Pratha,
malnutrition.
self-immolation, Sati Pratha was the malpractice, right? Which is something mal is always about bad. Malnutrition, malpractices, rituals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So we, as sir said that should we follow Sati Pratha, but we should not follow
Could
it.
you tell me first people were there or the first castes were there?
So first of all, people were there.
So there was a time when there were no castes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
The people were not born with their caste at a time.
Yes.
So how were the caste made? Could you tell me?
So castes were made on a specific work that there would be at before a long time. I can say in the society only 5 or 6 families could be there, or 10 families maximum could be
So
there.
as you said that, as you mentioned that castes were made on the basis of work.
Yes, sir.
Is that true?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now let's say today. a priest or pandit, let's say he starts doing the work of a cobbler, so shouldn't the caste be changed?
Yeah, no.
Why
Okay,
no?
listen,
This is the
sir, because-
question. Why no?
Sir, because
This is
this
a
time,
very
sir,
important point.
sir, because this time, according to me, I don't want any pressure on a person that you should do only this particular work. I am saying that if he works as a cobbler, so
Hmm.
I will not stop him because
No,
he.
I didn't ask you to stop him. Obviously, it has become his profession. Now, but shouldn't the caste be changed? If a person is working as a cobbler and you call him pandit, is justified? Is it justified? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, but I have already said you that I am repeating it for respecting their ancestors. They are being or they are called pandit or priest.
Okay, listen. If some person, first of all, is think that if someone is bigger than us, it is not a matter of respect. The matter of respect is what are their deeds,
Yes.
what are their words. Okay, first of all,
Would you respect your ancestors even if they were thieves?
I will not definitely, as personally.
Yes, sir. I will not respect. But sir,
That's what I'm saying.
yes, sir.
Because they did something wrong. They
Sir, but
stole.
but sir,
They
I could
stole.
respect. Sir, but I could respect if they did it for us.
We are not stopping you from respecting them. We continue your respect with them. What aren't there any other ways? Why are why do you want to, what we call it, petrify the life of 140 crore people of this nation? Why do you want? Because you just want to respect some short of people who has died. Okay, even
Do
if
you like reservation?
No, sir.
So how did reservation emanate from? Do you know?
Sir, I don't like reservation because I don't like inequality. The reservation was made due to the reservation was continued due to only inequality. If priests and cobbler would be equal,
And
then no reservation would be
inequality
there.
arose from the castes,
Yes, sir.
which you don't want to remove.
you just want to cut the branches and twigs of the tree, but you do not want to work on the root.
Mhm.
Even if we will remove the inequality after 50, 60 or 100 years after removing it, it will come back again. Okay, that's what I want to say.
Yes.
And if are you a Hindu, I will ask you, are you? Okay, listen. It's not your personal choice to continue. It's about the nation and the people of this country. And the people who are Hindu, I think they should listen what their scripture says about it. Okay, they just do not do some random things which are not there in the constitution, not in the scriptures. Just listening to some pandas and all the people like them. That's what I want to say. There is no point in continuing it. And if
But-
you want to respect, then show your respect in any other form.
But as you, so, but I could not get your 100%.
So why do you carry the pathetic things? Why do you want to carry? Let's say people they were divided. First of all, they were not the ancestors. Okay, ancestors were also the victim of this. Do you know? Means your ancestors were there. Let's say the ancestor of a cobbler were ancestors, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then they were also the victim of this. They did not like it. They had to suffer. So this is not a matter of respect. Because let's say in the ancestors, there were sweepers, cobblers, and they were disrespected just because they were cobblers and the sweepers. So now you actually don't continue the respect. You are going to continue the disrespect.
No, sir.
They suffered, and now you want even the new generation to suffer. That's what you want.
First, I have just one question in the last. The question is that why do you want to call a chief minister as cobbler, and why do you want to call a cobbler as a priest? Just please specify it.
Answer this question.
Because I don't want to call him. I am saying due to his will.
You don't
Due
want
to
to
his,
call him. No, it is not general, or it is not personal. It is general. I know you, he, and I. We don't do it. But it is being done by the
Yes.
people.
but according to me, I don't want to call a cobbler as a priest
Oh,
as
yeah,
a
no,
cobbler.
no.
But I am saying that if a person by his will wants to do any work, wants to become a cobbler, so he can be, but should not change his caste.
But I have not said that we
This
are
is the
stopping
point.
them.
No, why should he? But he should not change the caste, right? This is something wrong. He should. Why should he not change the caste? You want him to be the same. Even if somebody becomes, is it easy to become a CM?
this is the same kind of behavior which has been shown by the so-called upper class people hundred years ago. This is the same behavior.
Obviously,
You can change your work, but you don't want them to change their caste. What is this? Even God has given them permission to do so. If the Creator has given you the right, then who are we?
Well, I want to say this, that if any person is doing a very bad work and very dirty work, but if no inequality would be there, then what? Then it is good, na?
If division will be there, even it is the form of caste, in the form of wealth inequality, if divisions will be there after some decades, problems will again come back. Okay, that's what I want to say. And it's not about the matter of respect. If he wants to change it, and what's the problem?
Okay, so tell me that how can you, how can you stop?
okay, if changing is not right, then why did the government authorize people in the constitution that you have right to change your caste and religion? Why did government authorize it? Or it is mentioned in the constitution?
Sir, if they want, then they can change their
Now you are
caste.
saying they can change.
No, it's contradictory.
Yeah, it's contradictory. Now you are saying that yeah, they can change. Oh, or then question is there, why should they not change? If the work has been changed, so why would the caste not be changed?
Okay, the writer of Mahabharata was Vishwamitra, I think. Okay, he was not born in the Brahman word that I will call in Sanskrit, and that Ravidas, very high Brahman, was I think was a fisherman or shoemaker or something like this. The
Yeah.
so-called
So
Shudra.
did he change?
Obviously.
His caste?
Yes, Hindus refer Ravidas ji as Brahman, Vishwamitra and Ved Vyas.
So they.
They all are Brahmins, but they were not born in the Brahman family. This is the example.
No, as you said that they were Brahman and they used to catch fishes. Okay, but
I have not said it, I have said it. They were born in the family
First
of
they were the
fishermen.
fishermen. Listen to him properly.
Okay,
First they were fishermen, but because they changed, their deeds became great.
Kalidas from what we call them social tribes. Okay, he was born in the jungles. Okay, his family was like hunters and gatherers like this. But who is Kalidas? The greatest poet of Sanskrit language. He respected his Brahman.
he naturally didn't. He himself didn't change his caste due to his works.
Yes.
He was made as
Yes.
priest. He used to call priest and he used
Yes,
to.
no one has authority in this world and this universe to contradict the ideas of the Creator himself or herself. Okay, it changed automatically. It is a natural system. Even if we see, let me
No, but
give you an
as you said,
example of a
no,
multinational
first listen to
company.
me. As you said that he was a fisherman and he became a priest. So he didn't become a priest.
I have
By
not said that.
by society it was made. By its work, by his works it
Okay,
was made.
okay, I agree to your point. By society he was made,
I
right?
have not said it. I have said
No,
again.
even if okay, for the sake of argument, I agree to this. Society made it, right? So why not now? Why not now?
So but
Although he didn't say that, but I agree to this also. I agree with you. Okay, now why not now? When people change the work, then why do you want to impose the same caste on them? In order to show them or that this is something you
Sir,
are,
if
this
they
is
want
something
to-
you are promoting the inequality, or you want to.
Yes.
no, sir, if they have not changed this time. If a cobbler is there, starts doing good works, starts helping beggars and the works like a good person or still okay. Let that he started calling a priest by society. So he didn't. I am not saying that a person should have. So what do we call that? अधिकार, yes, a
Right.
person should have a right to change his caste
Do
himself.
you
But
want
by
to go against the constitution?
no,
You are going.
And one more thing is that do you want
Constitution
to,
allows.
and even God allows, and it is not allows. It is mandatory.
God is a big thing.
Yes.
Constitution allows. So do you want to go against it? Is it good to go against the constitution?
And you know, brother, what it
Yes,
is
sir.
not even choice. It is mandatory and it will automatically happen as per according to our scriptures. Whatever you will do, you will fall into that word. Even if you will not consider it, your karma will be decided according to your word.
but
It will take a hell lot of time to be changed. But
Yes.
by the time person suffers, but by the time, although B.R. Ambedkar became a great person,
Yes.
but for it took a long time. But by that time, he had to suffer a lot. Sufferings were there.
sir, due to inequality only.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So
Once he was going to his college, he took a lift. He sat in a bullock cart. Then the person or driver of the bullock cart started asking about himself. Then he mentioned his caste. Then he straight away asked him to get down. And just in front of him, he washed his complete bullock cart. Just because he told his surname. That was it.
So because it is due to only inequality, as I am saying that if inequality would be removed, sir, first listen to me. If inequality would be removed, then no one will ask his surname. This time inequality is there. That's why everyone asks.
How will the inequality be removed? How?
So for this I don't have points that how will it be
Honestly, you
removed.
can't have points.
Yes sir, but I am saying that if it would be removed, but I don't have knowledge about it that how would it be
Have
changed.
you heard any honest thief? Can you say he's an honest thief? Similarly, can you say like you want to go with casteism, surnames, and you expect inequality? How can it be possible? If surnames are there, how can inequality arise?
And I will have
But
to
sir,
give you an
the
example.
caste name is as the name of a person.
No.
Like my name is Bharat.
No, it is not about surnames only. On the basis of surnames, people identify, and the moment people identify, they start discriminating.
And we can change it. Let me give you an example, please. In Tamil Nadu, no one uses caste. Hindus do not use caste names, surnames. There are not surnames in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu has completely eradicated it from the state. Okay, why can't we do it? Tamil Nadu is very near to us. Okay, as if you will say that we cannot remove it, it will remove one day.
It will be removed.
Yes, it will be.
Okay, so
then-
only the point is, like if you expect or if you imagine that surnames and equality can go along, so this is your misconception. Why don't you, as he earlier said, he rightly said that if you why do you cut the branches? Why don't you cut the roots?
But sir, okay, tell me the 10 points or some points by which you can stop the caste.
You know,
Remove surnames, that is it.
Yes sir, remove surnames.
That is it.
remove the surnames, it will completely be eradicated.
So how can it be eradicated?
If surname is not there, no one will be
So
able to
that's
find.
what I'm
Okay,
saying,
listen. How do we identify something? How do we know it is a video on television? There is a mark on it. If we will remove the mark of surnames,
So that's what I'm asking now. How will you remove it?
just there is a legislation should need to be passed in the parliament now. If you will say it is impossible, then please, I do not have it.
As many-
now
okay,
listen, that's a different question. That
No,
how can
but
it be
this
removed?
rule is also there. Na, you should not steal.
Okay,
You should not be a thief. But people are still stealing. Or if we will write it down in the constitution, it will do. Nothing will happen after this as well. In constitution it is also there. You should kill nobody, but still people are killing everyone.
Okay, now let
So
me.
then they are punished.
Okay.
But sir, they are punished, but they are not stopping now. So like this, the casteism will not be stopped. Surnames will not be removed.
This analogy of yours does not fit in
You are
this
saying some
context.
things should not be removed. This is your wrong statement. Should not be removed means this is your personal feeling. If you say cannot be removed, it can be accepted. Okay, then problems will arise. And when you say should not be removed, it means this is your personal choice. You want them not to be removed. Okay.
So
So
I
you
want
should
you to-
say that they should be removed.
So, but if any cobbler comes to me and
Cobbler
tells,
is who? By name?
Yes.
By name or by profession? Who?
so by surname if he comes to me,
Okay, by surname.
yes sir. So I will not bad behave with him.
How can you call an IAS officer as a cobbler? If
So why? Okay. Why do you? Okay.
because
Listen. Why do you want to say that? Okay, he's a cobbler, but I respect him. Why is this coming? That though he's a cobbler, yet I respect him.
It's
Still,
done.
it means you are obliging him. Why? Does he need your obligation? He deserves the respect.
Okay, and even no one has asked you to, respect them. It's not you are not doing any kind of.
So obviously the respect is their birthright. Who are you to respect or disrespect?
Yes.
Even if there is a rickshaw puller, so his respect is his birthright. Why would I disrespect him just because he is a rickshaw puller? Why?
So because it is your mentality, na, that if he's a rickshaw puller, then you
But
will
the
definitely
mentality in India is
disrespect him.
pathetic. Many people are there by the name of caste, they disrespect people. How would you go door to door and change their mentality?
Okay, that's why I am saying legislation need to be
Okay,
passed.
so think of it. When you go home today, think deeply over it. Right? So, that was it in this conversation. We are going to take a short break and we are giving you chance to think over it. Right? So be mature, think over it. Yeah, that was it.